Welcome back. So the message that is going to be sent by the user has the animate effect. Here if I type how are you, as you can see, there is some kind of animation here. And we need to add the same animation for messages that are going to be sent by the chatbot to the user. And we can just copy the effect from the send message function and paste it inside the chatbot send message. So I'm going to paste it here. And obviously we need the chat container dot append child. Here just chat, and we pass the element, the message element. And let's test it by just calling the chatbot send message and pass a message, how are you? How are you? And let's save and test. Now if I refresh, as you can see, it will be displayed immediately. But we want to add some delay. Once the user comes to this page, we want it to take like 1 second before it gets displayed, before it gets sent from the chatbot. And we can do that easily using the set timeout function. So here I can just use the set timeout, which is a function that will schedule executing a specific piece of code. So here function, which is the callback function, and inside the callback function I'm gonna paste, or I'm gonna call the chatbot send message. So I'm gonna just paste it inside the callback. And the second parameter that the set timeout function takes is the delay. How many seconds do you want to pass before sending or executing this code? Let's say 1 second for now. If I save and refresh, here if I refresh, as you can see, it's going to take 1 second before this message gets sent from the chatbot to the user. And we also need to remove these two because we no longer need these. These are static. Let's remove them. So I'm gonna remove them or just comment them out. We no longer need them, these two. So we can just, here, all of these, we can just comment them out. And whenever you need whenever you need the design, you can just get it. Very simple. So I'm gonna just comment them out. And now let's test one more time. And let me just grab it here in the middle of the screen. And as you can see now, if I refresh again, the chatbot is empty, and after 1 second, the chatbot will send this message saying, how are you?